Hey there, rebellious minds and freethinkers. Welcome to Blasphemous Nutrition, the podcast where we debunk diet dogma, shatter nutrition myths, and serve up a heaping side of salty sass with our science. I'm your unapologetically candid host, Aimee. I'm diving headfirst into the world of nutrition with a sprinkle of wit, a dash of sarcasm, and a well-honed blade of critical thinking. Picture this podcast as your go-to kitchen, where we're cooking up some clarity amidst the chaos of radical health ideologies. I'm not afraid to question the sacred lab-created cows of nutrition, or to throw a bit of shade at those one-size-fits-all approaches. Here, it's all about embracing the nuanced reality of what health is for each of us, because let's face it, life is too short to chase the next trend on TikTok. In each episode, I'll serve you a delectable blend of research insights and clinical pearls gained in over 20 years of practice with people just like you. I'll not only dish up the whys, but garnish them with tips and tricks that, honestly, may not be Instagram worthy, but they actually work in the real world. My mission is simple: to cut through the bullshit, give you the nuanced reality that simply cannot be distilled into 140 characters, and empower you with the knowledge to make informed choices that better suit your unique lifestyle, personality, and goals. 30 years of study and years of practice in nutrition gives me a nuanced perspective that is bound to piss off those beholden to the increasing identity politics surrounding food and health. Therefore, everything I say has the potential to offend someone. So if you're tired of recycled diet wars and think the truth is more nuanced than a Twitter thread, well, stick around. It is well past time to embrace a more sensible, realistic approach to health, and you have found the right place. Blasphemous Nutrition is here to be your unfiltered guide on this rebellious journey to better living. Subscribe now to Blasphemous Nutrition, where we are serving up the nuanced truth of nutrition with a side of sass.